Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to organize your wishlist in the Audible app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the library. And here at the top it starts with listen, but we can select the wishlist option. And here in the right corner we have a little ordering button. This is set to recent activity, but we can organize it by title from A to Z, author from A to Z, recent activity, release date, new to old, and by length as well. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.